Following its successful track record in exporting woodworking machinery to international markets, HONGKY has once again asserted its position by successfully exporting the 1,300 UUNND drum brush sander to Israel, a country in the Middle East. Consistently bringing made-in-Vietnam woodworking machines to global markets not only demonstrates HONGKY's manufacturing capabilities and product quality, but also reflects a sustainable development strategy aimed at expanding the presence of Vietnamese brands on the global industrial map. The 1,300 UUNND drum brush sander, researched, designed, and manufactured in Vietnam, features advanced technology, a high degree of automation, and stable operation, delivering exceptionally smooth and even surface finishes. The machine is equipped with 3 sanding units. To ensure smooth and safe operation, we implemented a rigorous quality inspection process prior to shipment. Every step, from inspecting machine components and testing electrical loads to full production line trials, is closely supervised by our team of highly experienced engineers and technicians. In addition, special attention is given to packaging and transportation to protect machine components and ensure the equipment arrives in perfect condition for our customers. HONGKY is ready to accompany businesses on their journey to enhance production capacity. Contact us at +84 909 073505 or leave your information in the comments section to receive tailored consultation and solutions. Visit HONGKY.com to learn more about our products.